Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Temu app. So first open your Temu app as you can see on your screen and then go to U button, and you need to first make sure that you log in your account. So you can go right here on settings to sign up your account, and then you need to make sure that you change your location or region. You can go right here on country and region, so pick up your country so you can add up your friends. Then to invite your friends, go here on earn credits and free gifts. As we all know, if we invite more friends, you will receive some coins and cash right here. So for example, I want to go right here on 5 free gifts, and then right here if you see this message shows up saying you receive a gifts right here, free gifts, well, you can redeem that one if you invite your friends. So for example, you pick a card, and as you can see here, congrats, 5 free gifts for you. Then if you continue this one, as you can see right here, congrats, you're in easy mode now, and again receive a 5 free gifts. So you can take them all. You just pick one item right here. For example, I want to pick this one. And then another message shows up, special surprise. Then when you open this one, we have a free shipping. So pick that gift. And once you confirm picking some products right here, so as you can see, confirm the gift. So uh, here's your first free gift. So, and then to receive or redeem this gift right here, just tap this confirm button at the bottom right, and then tap this I'm good. And then right here, you can just add some information about you, especially on address, your phone number, if you are a resident from US. So you need to complete the details right here before you invite your friends. Then after that, if you invite some friends, you can earn more money. You can redeem these 5 free gifts that you receive right now. So that's how you basically inviting friends on SAMU app. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.